Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a private treaty property for sale. The residence is two-story and is approximately 6,906 square feet. The land size is approximately 23,245 square feet. There is a total of 6 bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms. The ground floor has 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, walk-in closet, living room, TV room, dining room, laundry, storeroom, rear and front porch, and double carport. The kitchen has granite countertops and hardwood cupboards with a breakfast nook. The second floor has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The primary bedroom has ensuite bathroom, jacuzzi, and shower. There is a pool house, a storeroom, a generator room, and dog kennel. This house is located in the neighborhood of Battersea, Ingleside, Mandeville. This is great for a family or as an investment opportunity. The distance between this home and the Mandeville town is approximately 8 minutes. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 105 million or US $682.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.